This is Access wireless interconnected smoke detector. So this is the user menu and come with the anchor screws. This is the alarm. It's actually very tiny. And here it got a button, test. And right here, you can put a screw on. So here, you can get this plate onto the wall. And then you put this one on. So before using it, you're gonna remove this plastic. So actually, you can replace the battery as well. The battery is very easy to remove. So when you open the user menu on the second page, there is the code. So you scan the code, you go to the Access Home Security online store. So we just scan the barcode. So we push install. All right, now let's open it. You only need your email address to create an account. It said press and hold the test silence button on the Wi-Fi smoke detector for 5 seconds until LED flashing blue. Now it's flashing blue, so operating confirmed. Next one, it's searching the device, it's right here, and tap on it. The issue I think is the 5G and 2.4G gigahertz. Okay, this is my Wi-Fi. I'm gonna input the password. Now, device edit. You just heard a beeping. Initializing can take up to 6 seconds. Finish. All right, this is on my cell phone. So if you want to add more device, you just repeat the process. So we're now going to try to see if it works. This smoke alarm is very useful when you are not at home. For example, if you go to work or your family go to vacations, nobody in your home. So you know exactly what happened in your house, but you know the smoke alarm is off. So you can call the 911 immediately. Alright, start beeping. Alright. It got two messages. That one is the smoke detector alarm off, and at the same time 2:43 and silenced. It shows the information on your cell phone that you know that something happens in your house. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.